start with your introduction first.
I'm Surya from Hyderabad.
Surya sir, what is the subject of the project Women Diaries? What is the storyline?
Yeah, these women diaries is a based on जो रेप विक्टिम्स का बारे में होता है और जो इंसिडेंट्स हम न्यूज़ में देखते सुनते बाद में भूल जाते वो विक्टिम्स का जो प्रॉब्लम्स है क्या है उसका कुछ जस्टिस मिला नहीं मिला किसी को पता नहीं होता हम भी उसी वजह से हम सोचते भी नहीं सो आई वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट how women affects after the rape issues and all, violence and all. So I wanted to present this. I choose that point. So we are proudly saying this is my debut film, Women Diaries. I'm starting with this kind of film. I'm very much proud. And one more thing, in this project. We sign in with Mugdha Godse ji and the great actress Sudha Chandran ji. So the shoot will start in next week. So we try to get our best with these women diaries. This is very much supported. It's very much support for all women's, not only in India, everywhere in throughout the world.
Surya sir, you are from the South industry, from the South part. Why did you choose to make a Hindi film as such, but not a South film?
Yeah, these issues generally everywhere होता रहता है. So I wanted to come out with this film and every India watch this film. It's not like India everywhere. So that's why I choose complete national wide film. So these women diaries will come in Hindi and Telugu and Tamil.
What about your professional background before directing this film? What is your background as such?
I'm in business, but I have experience as a line producer, executive producer, and back end. I have a 6 years experience in this media. So now I yeah okay.
And what is the shooting schedule? When you will start the shooting and about the places you are going to shoot the movie?
Yeah, next week this film starts in Hyderabad, one schedule. After that, we shoot in Bombay also. March month end, I'll finish our shoot and complete post-production and all. This film will come out in August.
So are you planning to release the film on theatre or OTT platform or both?
Yeah, definitely. This kind of film will release in theaters and OTT also. And one second.
Surya sir, can you explain more about the casting of the film? You cast Mugdha Godse, Sudha Chandran, both are very prominent pioneer name in Bollywood. So we would like to know more about your casting.
Yeah. When I complete my script, I decided to do this as a national film. So I need a pioneer actors. So when I contact with Mugdha Godse ji, she very much encouraged me, and that's why she comes in our project. After that, we approached the pioneer actress Miss Sudha Chandran ji. She also excited after about the script and all. She encouraged us. She also comes in this project.
And today, sir, we just got to know you are recording a special number to keeping in the mind Women's Day for this film. We just
Yeah.
want to more details on that.
Yeah. So today we are announcing our movie with our poster release. So we composed a song and we release on this Women's Day. This song, like it's a women anthem song. So this is all this song dedicated to all women's.
Earlier you mentioned about the cases recently happened in Hathras or Hyderabad. So how much part we are going to see this in the film? Are you going to shoot that real incidents in the film?
So I realized I have seen number of issues like Delhi Nirbhaya case and Hyderabad Disha case and Hathras UP case. So I decided I want to do this platform. So I choose this Women Diaries will present all rape victims, and this film gives more strength and support to all this kind of victims.
So sir, which locations you are planning to shoot this and when is the schedule going to happen?
Yeah, our first schedule starts from 10th onwards, that is in Hyderabad. After that, 20 onwards, our schedule starts in Mumbai. I thought this month end the shoot part completed. After that, the post production and all complete in 1 month, and we plan to release our film in August.
You are shooting simultaneously this in Hindi, Telugu and Tamil. So is this a challenge or is that totally a business perspective of the film?
Yeah, it's a very big challenge. Like as a debut producer and director, it's a very big challenge to us. So we definitely try to promote all languages, not only Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. I'll try to release all over India because everybody encourages this kind of movies. So very thanks to media to come here and promote our poster release and all. I expect entire this kind of encouragement from media throughout the film.
The last question is what kind of message you want to portray or you want to communicate with the audience with this film?
So everybody met accidents in our lives. Okay. So that time we don't want to be panic, don't want to be take big decisions. So in that time the situation occurs, we have to be strong, we have to get our all strengths and energies. So what to do next? So if we live, then we can do anything. So fight for live. So definitely this film gives strength and all to those kind of situations we face when we face. So it's a big strength for them.
Last not the least, you got a very attractive title. So what is the story behind the title? How the idea came to keep this title for the film?
या हर औरत में बहुत इश्यूज होते रहते हैं, बहुत लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट करते, थोड़ी लोग बाहर बोलते. So women diaries means it's every women's life, not like domestic. These all affects with domestic violence or सारा ऑफिस में उन्होंने कितना कितना प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं। सुबह सुबह जो ट्रैफिक में रास्ता पे सुबह से शाम तक काम करके वो कितना थक हो जाते हैं, उसमें ये कोई नहीं बोलते, किसी को नहीं बोलते, कोई नहीं सुनते। ये लोग उसको औरत को उतना पेशेंस दिया। सो दिस फिल्म प्रेजेंट्स दोज काइंड ऑफ ऑल विमेन